So ayan, good day everyone. Welcome back again to our new video. Today we will learn and we will be discussing about what is prime and composite numbers. So why is it important na dapat alam natin ito? Simple lang dahil dito magagamay mo kung paano mag-factor, which is magagamit mo sa algebra soon doon sa pagkuha ng values ng roots or yung values ng x. So without further ado, let's delve into this. So, what is prime numbers? So, prime numbers, sabi dito, prime numbers are numbers that has only two factors, one and itself. So, paano magkuha ng factor? So, may tinatawag tayong factor 3 which is yung pinaka-basic, no? So, for example, 5. Ayan, wag 5. So, sige, 5. 5, ayan. Yung pag nakita mo to ng ganito, tapos yung 5, ano bang dalawang number na pag i-multiply mo silang dalawa, isang answer is 5. So, di ba? Wala. So, 5 lang. 5 tsaka 1. So, itong 5 is yung tinatawag nating prime numbers. Prime number. Kasi, dalawa lang yung factor niya. It is 5 at tsaka 1. Sabi dito, 1 and itself. Kasi 1, tsaka yung itself niya, yung 5. So, that is prime number. So, ito, composite. So ito, composite numbers are numbers that has more than two factors. So, pag may, for example, let's say, 8. 8. Tapos, lagay ka dito na dalawa. Ayan. Tapos, di ba ang 8 is pwede siyang 8 tsaka 1. Tapos, yung 8, mapa-factor pa siya, di ba? So, lagay ka ulit. Ayan. So, pwedeng 4 tsaka 2. 4 tsaka 2. Ito yung tinatawag na prime factorization. Alam natin na yung 2 is prime. So, hindi natin yun ito tsaka 2. 2 at dito 2. Diba? Ganyan yung prime factorization. Yan yung tinatawag na prime factorization. Pero may iba ding ginagawa. Ang ginagawa nila is ganito. Let's just put like ganyan, 8. Ay. Ito na lang. Ito lang gawin natin. So, yan, 8. 8. Tapos, lagay tayo dito ng ganito. Tapos, first factor is 8 at saka 1. Tapos, next factor is 4 and 2. Diba 8? 4 times 2 is 8. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yan lang, no? So, may ilang factor ba? Ilang factor yun? So, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, sabi dito, more than 2. So, may 4 tayo. So, that is composite. Yung it is composite. Ganyan lang kasimple mag-identify ng composite and prime numbers. So, sabi dyan is, prime numbers are number that has only two factors. Yung 1, prime or hindi. Diba? Sabi dyan is 1 and itself. So, yung 1, ang factor niya lang is 1 and 1 times 1, diba? That is 1 times 1, which is equal to 1. So, diba sabi dito, 1 and itself. So, hindi siya makakonsider na prime, hindi din siya pwedeng composite. So, alam nyo ba, trivia lang to ha, alam nyo ba na 2 is the only prime number that is even? Yan. 2 is the only number that is even. Tapos, sabi ko kanina, 1 is neither prime nor composite. Ayan. Tandaan nyo yan. So, 2 is the only prime number that is even. Tapos, 1 is neither prime nor composite. So, ano bang pinakamaliit na prime number? So, may maglista tayo ng mga prime number now. So, set of prime numbers. Ano ba? Prime numbers is 2, di ba? 2 times 1 lang. Tapos ano pa? 3, di ba? 3 times 1 is 3. 3 lang. Tapos ano pa? 4, hindi, di ba? Kaya ang 4 is ito, 4, ganyan. 4 and 1, 4 and 1, then, and 2 times 2. So, apat sila. So, hindi yung 4. Next is, laglag. So, yan, laglag. Ayan. So, next is, 5, di ba? Kasi, 5, ayan, 5 and 1 lang. Dami ko nito kanina. Tapos, sige, wait lang. Ilagay natin sa kabila yung mga composite, saka yung prime. Ito is composite. Ayan. So, kanina nakuha natin yung 4 sa composite. Tapos, anong next sa 5 is 6. So, 6. Tapos, ganyan. Tapos, 3 and 2. 6 and 1. So, si 6? So, composite, diba? 6. Ayan. Tapos, 7 is 7 and 7. 7 and 1 lang. So, that is prime. Yung 7. Ayan. So, ganito lang yung gawin nyo. You are thinking of a number na dalawang number na pag pinagmumultiply nyo, ang lalabas ay yung number. For example, gawa tayo ng ibang example sa 51. 51 is a prime number, hindi ba? Is prime number kasi 51 times 1 lang. Ayan. Tapos, next is, 24. Diba sabi dito is 24 yan, diba? 24. Yan, diba dito? 2 is the only prime number that is even. So, even to, diba? So, that is automatically a composite 24. Ayan. Composite yan, ha? Lahat ng even number composite maliban sa 2. Ayan. So, diba? Madali lang siya. So, siguro hindi na pahabain to. Dito na lang.